How to use PC internet on mobile using Hotspot. So on your PC, click on the Start menu. Hover over the gear icon. Click on the option Settings. You'll be able to access the settings. Click on the option Network and Internet that you can see on the screen. At left, you'll be able to find various options. Find this option for mobile hotspot and click on it. Now toggle on this option for share my internet connection with other devices. You'll be able to find this section for share my internet connection over. Make sure to select this option for Wi-Fi. You can also see the network name and password over here. Now on your mobile device, you'll be able to see this network on the Wi-Fi section. Simply connect to this network by using the network password. After that, you'll be connected to the PC internet in your mobile. Like this, you can use PC internet on mobile using Hotspot. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.